Hey guys, it's Dr. Hub. Whether you're in medicine, from specialty to super specialty, allied sciences, or simply curious, this focus content it delivers the key points you need to know. Let's look at the localization of the human genes. So first is we look at insulin. So this insulin is associated with the chromosome number 11pq p15. So the diseases where it is implicated will be the diabetes, next we move on to the prolactin. So prolactin is associated with 6 P23 as well as a Q12, and the diseases which is implicated will be the Sheehan syndrome. So prolactin is associated with the Sheehan syndrome. The insulin was implicated in case of the diabetes. Now moving further, we look at the growth hormone. So under that of growth hormone, the chromosome is going to be the 17p21 Q2ER. So this the disease affected. So what is implicated will be the GH deficiency. So growth hormone is 17q21. So let's quickly recap what we have discussed till now. So we discussed about the localization of the human genes. So what is the first one we discussed? The first one we discussed was about insulin. So insulin we discussed, it was in the chromosome 211p15, and as we know insulin it was associated with the diabetes. Now the second illness gene was about the prolactin. So prolactin it was present in the 6p23 q12. So this is the chromosome associated, and the disease which was implicated in case of prolactin, what we saw was the Sheehan syndrome. Next, moving on to the growth hormone, it is associated with the 17p21 QTR chromosome, and the disease implicated will be the growth hormone deficiency. Now moving on with the alpha globulin. So this alpha globulin was associated with the 16p12. So alpha globulin is 16p12 PTER. So the disease implicated here will be the alpha thalassemia. So since it is associated with alpha, it is the alpha thalassemia. So alpha globulin associated with 16p12 PTER, and it is associated with alpha thalassemia.